Here's just a quick overview of my setup on my T26sz with the Snipe BLE, which is the new telemetry receiver from RC Electronics. With the system that I'm using to go flying now, simply I have my phone, my Bluetooth headphones, they happen to be open runs, done by Shocks, so they're a bone conduction headphone, so nothing in your ears. And on my Futaba T26sz, there's a setting in the linkage menu and then system type. If you go to the second page, you can turn on CRSF. What this does is supplies 5 volts of power to the Sbus or the sensor programming port on the back of the radio. So now I don't need an external power source for my Snipe. It's driven directly off my transmitter. The Snipe BLE uses a really small amount of power. It's 35 milliamps, so it's not going to drain the battery in your transmitter over days flying. It's such a small amount. What I've also got set up on my system is I run 8-channel Futaba receivers, 7308 Sbus. So I've always got a spare channel that's not being used. What I've done is I've set this up to have on a 3-position switch, to have a couple of different percentages, so I can have different audio in my ears using the audio navbots data that's available in the latest version of Albatross. Just as an example, this is the F3F task. So if you imagine that at the start of the task, I've launched. It gives me the 30-second climb out window. I've run 10 laps, but this is a training day, so I'm running the tasks in training mode. Having this channel set up to communicate with Albatross means that I can restart the task. So now it's started counting down from the 30-second climb out window, which means I can park the model in front of myself, restart the task, do my pumps, etc., climb out, run 10 laps, another timed 10 laps that is. At the end of that 10 lap run, I can park the model somewhere up in the sky and not land it. I can tweak a setting or change a mix. I can then fly back in front of myself, park the model, hit the switch to restart the task, and again it starts at the 30-second climb out window. I can then go and climb out, re-enter the course, run 10 laps, and you can do this as many times as you like.